Did you know that around the world, the ongoing health crisis has caused a spike in breakups along with marriages falling apart? In December 2020, a BBC report mentioned that the breakups and divorce applications have been skyrocketing all across since the pandemic started last year. Relationships are fragile. Sometimes it takes a great tragedy such as this pandemic to rip them apart. Friends, what do you think would be the psychological reason for all this? Our thoughts and feelings are not 100% accurate, but they are actually biased by what researchers call the negativity effect, which is a tendency to react more to negative events and emotions than to the positive ones. In relationships, the negativity effect actually magnifies the faults of our partner, real or imagined. We are also biased by an internal overconfidence that magnifies our own strength. So you wonder why my partner is not able to see all the good in me and why he or she criticizes me so much. This is because they are overconfident in their own strengths and they try to see only your faults. I am Dr. Shama. I am a positive psychology expert and a problem hacker. I'm going to teach you a positive psychology tool that's going to work like magic on your relationship. Okay, this technique is known to increase intimacy and it is known to set your romance on fire. The quality of our relationship is directly proportional to the quality of our communication, specifically the way you respond to your partner. There are 4 ways in which we normally respond to our loved ones. So let us understand these 4 ways with the help of an example. Okay, this is your example. Your spouse comes home from work with a major accomplishment in the work or say a promotion. So how would you respond to this situation? Scenario number 1, you're really concerned about this promotion eating away your family time maybe. So you'll say, darling, what about our family time? Will this promotion eat away our family time? Scenario number 2, which is the most common. So if you're a really supportive partner, you would say, congratulations dear, you really deserved it. This is really good. Scenario number 3, in this responding style, you're more concerned about the work that you had given your partner. So your response would be something like, okay, that's fine, but have you got the grocery for tonight that I asked you to get? In scenario number 1, the response style is called active destructive. This kind of response saying, okay, will this promotion eat away a family time is negative, it is destructive, so it is not helping your relationship. The most common form of responding is called passive constructive. That is like, congratulations dear, you really deserved it, but it doesn't have much effect. There is also, by the way, passive destructive style, which is like asking, did you get the grocery that I had asked you to get? That is like really not even acknowledging that your partner has got a promotion. The right method, the only thing that works, that doesn't come naturally, that every couple has to be taught how to do it. It has to be scripted and taught. It is called active constructive responding. In active constructive responding, what you're doing is you're getting your partner to relive the experience of being promoted or getting this accomplishment. So you will respond in this following way. Darling, I know how much work you have put in for this promotion. I know how important this promotion is for you. So this is really acknowledging that this promotion was really important for your partner. So acknowledging that what is important to your partner is very important to you as well. And then your partner will feel supported, encouraged and loved. Now you're going to go on, ask questions to your partner which will make your partner relive this experience of being promoted or getting this accomplishment. So you'll ask like, okay, how was it, getting this news about your promotion, and how did your manager break this news for you? How did you feel about it? And then how was your journey towards this whole process? Now your partner gets to tell you the story. So in this way, your partner gets to relive this beautiful experience of getting promoted. Once your partner gets to relive this story of getting promoted through your questions, now you turn this whole event into a celebration. So you go on to say, okay, this calls for a celebration. Let's open a bottle of champagne. Let's dance. Let's have dinner. Let's go out. Let's go for a movie. Let's make the best of this celebration. Now it turns out, when we teach the couples to celebrate more and to respond in an active, constructive responding style, the love goes up, the sexuality goes up, and the divorce rates comes down. Active, constructive responding, it's not just about couples, it's about friendships, it's about workplaces. You can apply this to any relationships. We should respond to our loved ones with enthusiasm, genuine interest, and with positive emotion. Negativity really is a killer. It kills any relationship. Positive people are more attractive and they are loved more. If you want to be a positive person and if you want to upgrade your health, your career, and your love life, we have an amazing positive psychology certification course for you. Please click the link below and sign up, and please don't forget to watch the positive psychology certification course introductory video, which you can see on the next page. I will see you on the other side.